Hey folks, and welcome back to a very special Rob and Patti on the Run. Where are we, Patti?
We are in the Florida Keys.
Holy cow! We're taking the day and attempting to find the world's best key lime pie. Don't know if we're going to be able to do it. We'll see.
But I think we'll find a large variety.
Yes, we will. Let's go find some pie.
Okay. Where's the sun?
I see you found a my-size chair. Here we are at the Key Largo chocolate store, and hey, they have key lime pie. We came in for pie, but Patti also found some key lime ice cream.
Give it a try.
Yeah. Are key limes actually in Florida?
Some people grow them here, but they originated in Asia.
I don't know if I've ever had key lime pie, but we might have a lot of it today. This has whipped cream on it. A lot of them have meringue. We'll see how this is. Nice. It's not anywhere near as tart as I thought it was going to be. But boy, it is tasty. Patti's turn.
It's got a pudding texture.
This one does, yes.
Wow. And there seems to be like a cinnamon taste, like in the crust maybe?
That could be, yeah. I like it. It's going to be interesting to compare all these different ones. From the research I've been doing, the crust can be quite different, and the topping actually makes a big difference. Nowhere near as tart as I thought. What do you think?
No, I'm sure it has a lot of sugar in it.
No. And now for the key lime ice cream.
There's little bits of crust, it looks like, in there.
Oh, so it's all their leftover pie they grind up and put in ice cream.
Oh, now this is a little more tart
Okay.
than the pie.
By the looks of it, I think we did a pretty good job on this one. Hey, Patti, let's go find some more pie.
Okay.
We are currently at the Blond Giraffe Key Lime Pie Factory. I've done a little bit of research about key lime pies, and they say where the loudest trucks are, they have the best key lime pies.
That must be here.
Lots of different key lime food items. With cream or meringue. They have a really nice outside seating area to try the pie. This one's a little bit different than our last. It's got a nice coating of meringue.
The crust is a little more solid, not as crumbly as the other one. The key lime is a little more tart than the other one, but the meringue makes it sweet.
My turn. A lot tartar. Wow. This is what I was expecting. It's almost like that tartness. You really need a really sweet topping. Yeah, I do think I prefer this one more than the last one, but you have to have the right balance of sweet and tart. Sorry, we forgot to rate the last place. If you can recall back, if you had to give it a score from 1 to 10, what would you give it?
I have nothing to compare it with, so just off the top of my head, I might give it a 7.
And what about this place?
I think I would give it a 6. It's very good.
Really? Okay.
But I think I like the less tart one.
Okay.
And I like the crust of the other one better.
I'm gonna differ with my lovely wife here. I liked the first one. To me, it seemed kind of mild. And this place, because it has such loud trucks going by, So the first place I'd give it a 6. And this place, the Blond Giraffe Key Lime Pie Factory, I'm giving an 8. The Blond Giraffe, not too bad.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Well, here we are at another stop for Key Lime Pie, Blue Heaven. What city are we in now?
Key West.
Key West, holy cow. We're about to get hit by a car. Okay, we are now out of the street.
And the police are coming. The roosters are crowing.
There's wild chickens everywhere around this town. It's kind of fun. Let's go have some pie.
Yeah.
That has got to be the most amount of meringue I've ever seen.
Yeah.
I always thought key lime was bright green. It's actually yellow. That's a lot of meringue. The meringue here, I think is a little overdone. I'm almost getting not a burnt flavor, but a darker flavor.
That is a lot of meringue. And the meringue is not as sweet as the last one.
Right. And actually, the key lime isn't as tart as the last one. Well, we had to leave there because the music was a bit loud and I didn't really want to put a drum beat over this thing or anything to... Just 1 second. Hey, stop it. Drowned out the copyrighted music, so we came outside here. What did you think about this key lime pie?
It's supposed to be one of the top ones, but wasn't my favorite. I liked the other two better.
I have to agree with you. I was actually looking forward to this one, actually the most, when I saw the meringue that was going to be on there. But what do you think about that meringue?
I thought that it wasn't as sweet as the other meringues we had. And it was a little bit more rubbery, like it was overcooked.
I agree. I think maybe because it was so thick, they had to really cook it to get it done. But that, I think, gave it a little bit of a burnt taste. I would have to agree with you, though, too. This wasn't my favorite. Actually, I'm going to give this a 5.
Yeah, I think it's about a 5.
We have one more to try. It's not going to be here in Key West. We're actually going to go to a grocery store and get a key lime pie. Patty, where are we right now?
We are on Duval Street.
Looks like a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants, a lot of pubs. Let's check this place out.
Yeah, I stopped using my head,
As for beer anyone, pina colada, you can share with anyone.
It's a nice looking hat, Patty.
Yeah.
Did you make a good haul?
I did.
Here we are at the southernmost point of the continental U.S.
Yep, we made it.
We made it. Publix, a Florida grocery store. I hear they have some outstanding key lime pie. So let's get one. Well, there it is, the Publix key lime pie. We got the mini version because, well, we've had a lot of key lime pie. First of all, this looks like a whipped cream topping. And that key lime, I think that's a fake key lime.
Yeah, it's kind of a wafer on the bottom.
Oh,
Oh, it's like a white chocolate.
oh. This is going to be whipped cream heavy.
It's not as tart as some that we've had, but it's got a good flavor.
I love that crust. Not sure why, but I really like that crust. You're right, it's not quite as tart, but it's got a little tartness to it. How's the whipped cream?
It's different. doesn't have much sugar in it, doesn't taste that sweet. It almost tastes fake.
We gave the Publix key lime pie a try. Keeping in mind what you've rated the others, what would you rate this one on a scale from 1 to 10?
This one isn't as good as the first one that I liked a lot, and it wasn't as, I don't want to say bad, but it wasn't to the level of my lowest one, which was a 5, so I think I'll give it a 6.
The Publix key lime pie. Unfortunately, it's not as good as I thought it was going to be. It's a good pie, but not my favorite. But it's not my least favorite either. I'm gonna say this is a 6. It's pretty even with that first pie we tasted. I think I might prefer that first pie we tasted a little better. The results are in. Who took first place in our key lime pie contest?
First place goes to the Blond Giraffe.
Nice.
We both liked it better than several other ones.
Well, I had a really fun day going around all the keys and trying out different key lime pies. Thanks a lot for coming along with us for this Rob and Patti on the Run. We'll have a few more Rob and Patti on the Runs coming up because we are vacationing and having the best of a life right now.
Yep.
I know you can tell it, but we had a really good day. Hope whatever you guys are doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time.
Bye.